Well, this weekend was a little emotional up and down. On Friday, I graduated. I now have an AA in psychology. I'm on to a university to get my bachelor's and then maybe my master's. Um, so that happened on Friday. Nerve-wracking, totally. Stressed out, freaked out. My family kept telling me to calm down. It was okay, all that good stuff. And then Saturday came, and Saturday was the anniversary of when they came and took my kids. Something that was so devastating. The thing that was the hardest thing, I think, was my son Keith, who was 6 at the time. He never cried. He was my tough little kid, crashed into buildings with his bike to stop because he just didn't know how to use the brake, I guess. He used to try to jump off the roof, things like that. Bust his head open. He was just fine. He never cried. Never, ever cried. When he got into the van, he was staring out the window and just a single tear was rolling down his face. And that hurt me so bad, more than the babies that were crying. Was just that single tear. And some people, they look at when somebody's lost their kids as them being a very bad person or something. And the kids were clean and the house was clean, but I did drugs, and that's all on me. I can't blame anybody for that. I can't make excuses for that. I had already lost my older girls to their father. This was right before Mother's Day 10 years ago. So I spent Mother's Day without my children then, and I've spent every Mother's Day since then without my children. And then Mother's Day this year, my second oldest, she's 19 now, she's here going to college, woke me up with breakfast in bed, and got me a card and flowers and a beautiful little dolphin, because I just love dolphins and fairies and stuff. But even if she hadn't gotten me anything, having one of my children on Mother's Day, when I know that I haven't been a very good mother, broke my heart and at the same time made me so happy. I'm not the person I was when they were younger, and nothing can replace the time that I lost with them. So that's how my weekend was. Then I had a final today, and I have another one on Wednesday. But from a mother who hasn't had her kids and hasn't been the greatest mother, I just thought maybe I'd put my little input in. Like I said before, talk about an emotional roller coaster. You guys have a good one.